The decline of Chrysler in the UK. In the golden age of British motoring, Chrysler was a familiar sight. But what happened to this iconic American brand in the UK? Let's dive into the story. Chrysler's history. Founded in 1925 by Walter P. Chrysler, the company quickly rose to prominence with its innovative designs and engineering. Chrysler gained a reputation for building powerful and luxurious vehicles. In the mid-20th century, it became a major player in the U.S. automotive market. Chrysler's entry into the UK market was a strategic move to expand its global reach. The brand's reputation for quality and performance resonated with British consumers. Models like the Imperial and New Yorker became popular choices among luxury car buyers. Factors contributing to decline, however, the UK market had distinct preferences. European consumers favored smaller, more fuel-efficient cars, which often didn't align with Chrysler's larger, more American-style vehicles. The brand struggled to adapt to this changing landscape. The global economic downturn of the late 2000s further exacerbated Chrysler's challenges. The financial crisis led to a decline in car sales and forced the company into bankruptcy. Mergers and acquisitions. Chrysler's history has been marked by mergers and acquisitions. The company's bankruptcy led to a merger with Fiat, forming the new conglomerate Fiat Chrysler Automobiles FCA. This corporate restructuring resulted in a shift in focus and product lines. The diminishing presence. As a result of these factors, Chrysler's market share in the UK has dwindled significantly. The brand's once familiar presence has become less common on British roads. While Chrysler's legacy lives on, its impact on the UK automotive market has diminished. The story of Chrysler in the UK is a reminder of the dynamic nature of the automotive industry. While the brand may have faced challenges, its history and legacy continue to inspire enthusiasts and collectors around the world. Subscribe for more automotive content.